guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. This is a tutorial. Make sure you have an A4 or any kind of paper. It works with any paper. I recommend, if you wanted to make it more colorful, I recommend coloring it after we are done with this tutorial, as this can help you with the color. So I'll show you which color you're going to need for this video. So first up, let's start with folding it. So first up, you're gonna fold it. Fold it. Get that out. Now you gotta crease it. Then use your other finger to crease it. Then you folded it. Okay, this is good. This happens to one of you a lot. I understand. So, and then we're gonna unfold it, turn to the back side. We're gonna crease that thing again. Creased. And then we're gonna, I'm gonna make sure there's no extra paper. Okay. Go that. Make sure it looks like this. So like that, you have to like fold it. Fold it. And then you fold it to the other side. Fold it. Okay. Well, it kind of looks like that. And then you're gonna fold this side right here. Like that. Let me show you. Make sure like this. And then you fold that side. And then you do the same thing to the other side. And then if you wanted to make it more cool, I recommend using this. And then put that other line over here. And then using the other one right here. And as you can see, it looks like this for now. And let's start with the colors. The colors for the paper airplane. The tutorial is tomorrow, but I just want to show you. Because look at this thing. It's good. So, I know it's just a tutorial, but I just want to show you like how to make this. So I did this in like first grade, but I still know how to do this. I did this in TK, but now I'm still a kid. I just want to show you how to make this. And I see kids do this, and I wanted to do that too. So I just want to show you how to make this. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't have to. I mean, it's just a tutorial. You don't have to like and subscribe. It's okay. One of my followers follow me on TikTok, but not that many. I only follow my families. Hold on. If you guys want to see my dog, Look, guys. I'm gonna show you my dogs, guys. Come on. Oh, say hello. Say hello. Yeah, she's this is my body. So let me show her Justice. I mean, we have a cat. My cat broke down. It's a crazy cat. What's that? And time for Gunner and the cat. That's my grandpa over there. So we say hi. Okay, that's my grandpa. He's just laying there watching. Okay. Here's 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 my doggy, and here's my kitty. There, and I can't see it, but he's right there next to the pillows. Oh, he's going to my grandpa. Okay, you want to say? Let's say hello to my last dog. I mean, it's the same dog. Okay. And also, my brother is coming, so I have to be quick. I don't want him to notice. Oh, he's over there. Okay. Thank you for watching the tutorial how to make this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you. Goodbye.